Hi there, welcome to this video. I hope that you are doing fine. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check for 2025 KCSE Provisional results. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, I'm creating this video for those people who are unable to check for the results. I know most of you have already checked, but if you haven't, just open any browser and then search for 2025 KCSE results, just like that. And then I want you to scroll down and come to this link, results.nec.ac.ke, and click on this link. Once you do that, it's going to open this very page. And here you can be able to check for 2025 KCSE provisional results. So first, you need to enter the full index number. So we are going to enter that number. Please make sure you include the school code. Without the school code, you cannot be able to check. Then you enter a registered name, any of the names, maybe the first name or the second name. So we're going to do that. And then on the privacy and access notice, you have to check this so that you allow this website to use your data to check, and then click on view results. Once you do that, the website will load and give you the results, and here are the results. It's as easy as that. And also there's an option for sending an SMS, although it's not active as of the time of recording. You can send the index number to 20076, okay? And they will give you the results via SMS, and you need to have at least 30 shillings as airtime in your Safaricom line. I hope this video helped you, and if that is the case, you already know what to do. Boop that like button so that this video can be pushed to more people. And if you enjoy our general content, please make sure to subscribe with the notifications on so that you're the first person to be notified whenever you upload a video on this channel. Otherwise, click on the right side of your screen to watch our next video, and I'm pretty sure that I'll see you in that video. Peace.